Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Rizzo here, and today we are going to talk about nouns functioning as indirect objects. We previously talked about nouns functioning as direct objects, and indirect objects go with that, okay? You cannot have an indirect object without having a direct object, okay? But you can have a direct object without an indirect, which we saw yesterday. Okay, so let's first look. This is page 10 in our grammar packet, so go ahead and hit pause and get out your packet if you don't have it out yet. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to read our paragraph, read our instruction. And it says a noun or a pronoun that tells to whom or for whom the action of the verb is done is called the indirect object. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that sounds like a definition to me. And you know that I love to highlight my definitions on here so that I can make flashcards, so that I can study my definitions, right? So, a noun or a pronoun that tells to whom or for whom the action is being performed is called the indirect object, okay? One verb may refer to more than one indirect object. A sentence containing an indirect object must also contain a direct object. We did this already. Ladies and gentlemen, to find the indirect object, you have to go through that series of questions. You have to find the subject first, so you have to ask who or what did it. And then find the verb, what did it do? And then find the direct object, verb, what? And then find the indirect object, to whom. Okay, so to find the indirect object, this is the question that you ask. To whom? So we've got who or what did it do, verb what or verb who, and then to whom or for whom. Okay, so let's look at our examples and we'll see how this makes sense. It says, I gave Sally $1. Who or what did it? I. What did I do? Gave. Gave what? Verb what? $1. That's our direct object. To whom? To Sally. That's our indirect object. Our direct object goes to our indirect object. Okay? Next one says, I gave Sally and her sister a ride to school. Who or what did it? I. What did I do? I gave. Gave what? A ride, which is our direct object. To whom? Sally and her sister. And you can see in that sentence we have more than one indirect object. So what we want to do is underline the indirect object or objects in each sentence. So we're underlining once, it looks like. We are circling the verb and we are underlining the direct object twice. Okay? We'll do 1 through 5 together. 6 through 15 will be on your own. Now, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you are answering the questions correctly and you're attempting them and you're not just filling in answers, because these do count for grades and we want to make sure we are doing our best. Okay? So, and if you're not doing your best, then I don't know what you know and what you don't know. Okay? So we want to do it right the first time. Look at number 1. Marcy gave her teacher a bouquet of flowers. Who or what did it? Marcy. What did she do? She gave. Gave what? She gave a bouquet. That's our direct object. She gave a bouquet to whom? Her teacher. So she gave the bouquet to her teacher. Okay? Look at now why is it not of flowers? What is of flowers? What is this right here? Okay? This is a prepositional phrase that is telling us what the bouquet actually is. It's describing the bouquet. So I know some of us probably wanted to put flowers for the direct object, but it's not because there's that of in front of it, okay? Number 2, and we'll get more detailed into that when we do nouns functioning as the object of prepositions and prepositional phrases and all that good stuff. Number 2, Aunt Alice sends Drew a birthday present every year. Who or what did it? Aunt Alice, what does she do? She sends. Sends what? A present. To whom? Drew. Right? The present goes to Drew. Number 3, my teacher taught the class facts about solar energy today. Who or what did it? Teacher, what does she do? Taught. Taught what? She taught facts. To whom? to the class. Make sense? Pretty easy, right? Easy peasy. Number 4, Ben Franklin High School offers its students a strong college prep curriculum. Who or what did it? Ben Franklin High School. What did it do? It offers what? A curriculum. It offers a curriculum. To who? Students. And I'm drawing my arrow just for me because it helps me to see what's happening. If you want to draw arrows, you can as well. Number 5, I told my youngest sister a bedtime story. Who or what did it? I. What did I do? Told. Told what? A story. To whom? My sister. Okay? Now let's look at 6 through 15. You've got 4 things to answer for each question. Who or what did it? What did it do? Verb what? To whom? So you're looking for the subject, the verb, the direct object, and the indirect object. Okay? So number 6, Beverly showed her best friend a picture of her new love. Number 7, Alex told Roxanne a big secret. Number 8, every summer the Smiths send their daughter a box of goodies at her camp. Number 9, the professor taught his students French. Number 10, Alice wrote her pen pal a detailed letter every month. Number 11, Joseph bought his fiancée a diamond engagement ring. Number 12, Patricia showed the producers her considerable talent at the audition. Number 13, Robert refused Millie her request. Number 14, the drunken pirate showed the young boy a treasure map. And number 15, the wealthy man showed the beggar some unaccustomed kindness. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's remember, if we have questions, let's make sure we're asking along the way, or we are asking at the end. I don't know what you need help on if you don't tell me, okay? Until next time, this is Miss Irizo. Have a great day.